Hey everybody, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're talking about something super important, having energy. We all want to feel our best and be able to power through our days, right? But sometimes that's easier said than done. Listen, I get it. Life gets busy, we get stressed, and suddenly it's 2 p.m. and we're reaching for another cup of coffee just to keep our eyes open. But what if I told you there are simple things you can do, everyday habits that can make a world of difference? That's what we're diving into in this video. 5 easy habits to boost your energy levels naturally. I'm talking sustainable changes that will help you feel more energized and vibrant throughout the day. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, let's kick things off with habit number 1, and it's a simple one. Start your day with hydration. Think of it this way. You just spent the last 7 or 8 hours fasting while you slept, right? Your body is naturally dehydrated. You wake up a little groggy, a little foggy-headed. So what's the first thing you should do? Reach for a big glass of water. Seriously, it's like hitting the reset button for your body. Water wakes up your cells, gets your metabolism going, and helps flush out any toxins that built up overnight. Trust me, even mild dehydration can make you feel tired and sluggish. I'm talking headaches, brain fog, the works. You ever notice how just being a little dehydrated makes you crave sugary snacks? That's your body trying to find a quick source of energy because it's not running as efficiently as it could be. Now, here's a little doctor's order for you. Make it a habit to drink a full glass of water first thing in the morning, before your coffee, before your tea, even before you check your phone. And hey, if you want to level up your hydration game, add a squeeze of lemon to your water. It's refreshing, adds a little flavor, and gives you a boost of vitamin C. I know, sometimes it's easy to forget. So here's a pro tip. Keep a full glass of water on your bedside table. That way, it's the first thing you see when you wake up, no excuses. You can even set a reminder on your phone if you need to. Whatever it takes to make hydration a non-negotiable part of your morning routine.
Check 1, check 2, check.
Let's move on to habit number 2, and this one's all about getting your body moving. You know the feeling. You wake up tired, maybe hit that snooze button a few too many times. Your instinct might be to stay curled up in bed, but trust me, the best thing you can do is get those feet on the floor and get active. I'm not saying you need to run a marathon first thing in the morning, but even a little bit of movement can make a world of difference. A brisk walk around the block, some light stretching, even just dancing it out in your pajamas, it all counts. Why does this work? Well, when you move your body, you increase blood flow and oxygen circulation. This delivers a surge of energy to your brain and muscles, helping you feel more alert, focused, and energized. It's like jump-starting your system for the day ahead. Think about it. Our bodies were designed to move. Back in the day, we were hunting, gathering, constantly on the go. Our modern lifestyles often involve a lot of sitting at desks, in cars, on the couch. And while our brains might be busy, our bodies aren't getting the movement they need to thrive. So, how can you make this a habit? Easy. Start small. Instead of immediately reaching for your phone when you wake up, do a few stretches in bed. Or if you're up for it, put on some upbeat music and have a little dance party in your kitchen. The key is to find something you enjoy that gets you moving and make it a part of your daily routine.
Check 1, check 2, check.
Chapter 3. Fuel up. Right. Food is energy. Alright, let's talk about what you're putting into your body, because habit number 3 is all about fueling up with balanced meals. We all know that food is fuel, but not all fuel is created equal. Just like you wouldn't put the wrong kind of gas in your car and expect it to run smoothly. You can't expect your body to thrive on a diet of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. So, what does a balanced energy-boosting meal look like? Think whole, unprocessed foods that are packed with nutrients. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins. These are your energy all-stars. They provide a slow and steady release of energy, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer. On the other hand, those sugary snacks and processed foods might give you a quick burst of energy, but it's followed by a crash that leaves you feeling even more drained than before. It's like riding a roller coaster, fun for a minute, but ultimately exhausting. Here's the thing. Your body needs a variety of nutrients to function at its best. When you're constantly reaching for sugary or processed foods, you're essentially depriving your body of the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive. So, how can you make this a habit? Start by making small changes to your diet. Swap out sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea. Instead of reaching for a bag of chips when you're hungry, grab a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts. And when you're planning your meals, aim for a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Chapter 4. Sleep, your body's recharge station. Let's be honest, guys, this next one is crucial, but sometimes it's the one we neglect the most. Habit number 4 is all about prioritizing quality sleep. Think of sleep as your body's nightly recharge station. It's when your body repairs itself, consolidates memories, and prepares for the day ahead. When you don't get enough sleep, you're essentially running on fumes. You might feel sluggish, irritable, and have trouble concentrating. And over time, chronic sleep deprivation can increase your risk of serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and even depression. So, how much sleep is enough? Most adults need around 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. And I emphasize quality because it's not just about the quantity of sleep you get, but also the quality. Here's the thing. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine can work wonders. Try dimming the lights an hour or two before bed, putting away your electronics, and maybe reading a book or taking a warm bath. These activities signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. And remember, your bedroom environment plays a big role in sleep quality. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and consider using blackout curtains or a white noise machine to minimize distractions. Chapter 5. Stress less, find your calm. Alright, let's wrap things up with habit number 5, and this one's all about managing stress. Now I know what you're thinking. Easier said than done, right? But hear me out, because stress is a major energy drainer. When you're constantly stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are designed to help you deal with immediate threats, but when they're constantly elevated, they can wreak havoc on your body, leading to fatigue, anxiety, and even digestive problems. So what can you do about it? Well, the good news is that there are plenty of simple yet effective ways to manage stress. One of my favorites is deep breathing exercises. It's amazing how just a few deep breaths can calm your nerves and shift your focus away from stressful thoughts. Another great stress buster is meditation. Now, I know meditation might seem a little intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Even just 5 or 10 minutes of quiet reflection can make a world of difference. There are tons of free guided meditation apps and videos available online, so you can find one that resonates with you. The key is to find healthy coping mechanisms that work for you and make them a regular part of your routine. Whether it's exercise, spending time in nature, listening to music, or connecting with loved ones, make time for activities that bring you joy and help you de-stress. So there you have it, 5 simple, actionable habits that can make a world of difference in your energy levels. And the best part is, these aren't drastic changes. They're small, sustainable tweaks you can make to your daily routine to feel more energized and vibrant throughout the day. Remember, taking care of your energy is an investment in your overall well-being. When you have more energy, you're able to show up as the best version of yourself, for yourself and for those around you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might benefit from these tips. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on health, wellness, and living your best life. Thanks for watching. So there you have it, 5 easy habits to boost your energy levels. These small changes can make a big difference in how you feel every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to help you live your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.